Hello, Alex.
Hi, Roma.
Today we have bad news. Our forecast didn't went as we expected. But still we are higher than zero line, so our trading is going on. And let's check what happened. Something incredible is happening now in crypto market. Bitcoin is going down as fast as I think it didn't for previous 3 years. And interesting what will happen because we have Michael Saylor, who is like who has Bitcoin religion, and if he will not have enough money to uh, pay dividend to his investors, uh, he will have to sell his Bitcoins. And if this will happen, I think we can see Bitcoin at maybe even 20,000 or maybe even lower.
Does he have so much bitcoins?
Yes,
So, so
his share is so you can imagine that all these 2 months, which Bitcoin was going up, almost all this growth was based on Michael Saylor's investments.
are there any other holders of Bitcoin as large as Saylor?
Maybe BlackRock ETF, but it's not one holder, you understand? It's like just exchange traded fund. So people can cash out from this fund anytime. And we never know when it will happen.
Okay.
So let's check our forecast.
And while we checking, please draw that P&L chart on the side to help our subscribers to understand what actually happened to the position and why it is in so deep minus for previous day.
Yes, sure. Yesterday we were going to open something like butterfly. So we have sent in 1875, so somewhere like this
It was
place.
Condor, wasn't it?
Iron Condor and butterfly have the same P&L charts, so it really doesn't matter. So we had profit something like this. I think 1950. 1800, and from here, no, wait, it was like this. So we have maximum loss here, and also from 18 here. And here we should have something like this. But as soon as this part we were going to execute with limit orders, so this part wasn't executed. So market didn't go enough up to execute our option call sell order. Understand, yeah? And so really we ended with the position like this. So it was more like, so like here, 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 and here, something like this, just a little bit like this. And we came to this zone lower than 18,000. So we had loss. I think about, I don't remember exactly, I think about $3, maybe $4. Because,
$4.
four, yeah. Yes, because only one option was executed. And that is why we didn't have another $3 which we were going to get from call option. Understand? Yeah. So like this.
Okay, thanks.
Yes, and let's check our usual histogram of profit loss histogram. Interesting. Did you refresh it?
Yes, before
Yes,
our
I
meeting.
think you remember. I think here. Maybe again because
Yeah,
of
that midnight story at the Bybit.
yes. So I
Final
think
calculation before midnight.
yes,
Yes, after
tomorrow
midnight.
we will see another picture. And let's check equity chart. Let's check equity chart.
But
Yes,
that.
you see in equity chart we have $16, but now we have $308. So tomorrow we will see how it will go sharply down.
Mm,
Okay, maybe today we will make a great trade and the picture will not be
will.
such dramatic.
Let us switch to Velo next.
Yes, let's check what is happening with option prices. I think now we will see something interesting.
Mm,
Wow. Yes, we can see that fear in the market, fear
mhm,
came to the market, to the Ethereum market and Bitcoin market. So you can see how fast implied volatility can grow. So it
mhm,
was going down for like from beginning of April to the end to the beginning of June. So
mhm.
almost
Like April, 2 months.
2 months, yes. And
Mhm,
just 3 days, and it's again on this level. But really think that if it will go the same way, it can come here. And today, for example, daily options, implied volatility in daily options now is about 80%. So as this chart is based on weekly options, that is why it is not so strong as we can see on daily. Daily is about 80%. And let's
mhm,
check what is happening with options. Uh, you remember yesterday we were discussing that somebody bought a lot of 18,000 options.
mhm,
And really, if market will strongly go below this point, then it can be acceleration of movement because
mhm,
when somebody sell option and market is going lower than strike, he can begin make delta hedging. And to do delta hedging, he needs to sell futures. And so if this is happening, market can go down very fast because he is hedging his position. And you can see also delta skew also shows fear that now options put are much more expensive than options call, and we can see premium 20% in delta skew.
mhm.
Interesting. Okay, and now let's check the chart and make our traditional forecast. Okay, your turn. You
Mhm,
want to see how it looks in daily chart?
mhm,
Yes, you see we are close to previous low, which was in the beginning of February,
mhm,
and we got through it, and now there is something like it can go up from this low, or it will intersect it and go sharply down.
mhm.
I like your scale. Your scale gives idea that Ethereum can go 30% down or up. I think a good idea, yes, is about 15% up and 15% down. So now our zoom is this way. So center 1740, lowest point is 1570, about 10% lower. and the same. Wow. I think it will be difficult not to be influenced by your forecast for me, but I'll try. I'll try. I decided to be even more pessimistic. Interesting, interesting what we can do, because today options are expensive. They are expensive, but we need to do something. We need to do something with this. Okay, let's try to think. So we are not expecting any going up to have good point for end position. And also risk reversal will not be good because call is cheap and put is expensive. So what we can really do? We can risk and buy in the money option put, because implied volatility when market is falling is cheaper on higher strikes. So, for example, implied volatility 1775 is less than implied volatility in 1725, for example. So we can spend some money for in the money option put and try to earn on our forecast. So I think we can buy maybe 18,000 or 1775. Let's check how much are they. And try to earn on this trade.
Okay, let's check. So speaking, Ethereum. Speaking of 7075.
Yes, 7075. So
Puts,
7075 option put is about $40. So even 0.1 will cost for us $4. Interesting. Am I ready to risk $4? But still, it's much better than just to lose money on some 1650. Let's think. Let's think.
1650.
Yes, because we can buy some just cheap option put for example, 1650. It's not really cheap because you can see implied volatility is 116. So you remember, if you remember well a chart, implied volatility was 60, I think. And here, implied volatility in the daily option put costs 2 times higher. So it means that people are extremely afraid of what can happen.
You know, I have a good feeling that we should risk.
Yes, okay.
For 7075.
Yes, let's buy 1775 option put and just go with this. Go with this to the next day.
7075 put. Buy.
And let's do it not with market order. I think. Let's do it with market order. Okay. Let it be. So $4 risk, but I think that it really can happen.
And take profit at price. What do you expect? Like 100?
I think we need to check. We need to check what is in trading view, because I think more than 100. I think more than 100.
Which prediction would you like? Like middle of hours both.
Can you show me, please? Because I want to see conservative and I want to see more pessimistic. So your prediction is we need to put 150 order price. My prediction is we need to put 250. I think 150 is okay. So I won't be really greedy. I think 150 is a good price. And if we will do this, we will beat our high. And I think it will be good.
Reducing the position.
Yes, I checked everything good. Interesting. I can see our order in order book before it appear in opened orders.
Yeah, it appears earlier because they are using like more frequent updates that we
Sure,
should
sure.
actually be using too and it will be in nearest future.
Okay. So, Alex, I think that crypto market will go down and hope tomorrow we will see good numbers in our equity chart. And so good luck and thank all our subscribers. And we will be happy if you give us some feedback in commentaries or just give us likes and any options questions you can ask in commentaries also. Option profits we'll see you again tomorrow. And thank you, Alex. Bye.
Bye, Roma. Thanks. See you tomorrow.